Hello everyone, how are you doing? Welcome back to my English Planet. We're going to start today's lesson with a quick test. Look at these options and tell me which one of these sounds more natural to you. Make your choice right now. So, what do you think? Is it I suggest you to study or I suggest you study? If you chose number 1, the first option, you're not alone. This is one of the most common English mistakes that I see and I hear every day. But here's the thing, it's not correct. And if you watch this video, you will learn and understand exactly why. By the end of this video, you will have some basic, simple, and clear rules to avoid making these mistakes forever. And you're going to learn how to speak with more confidence because you're not going to make these mistakes anymore. So let's get started. Number 1, the word suggest. Well, the verb suggest means to give someone a plan or an idea to do. But the confusion is never about the meaning of that. It's about what grammatically comes after it. Here are 3 things that you can use after the word suggest. Number 1, use a noun like, can you suggest a good restaurant? Or he suggested a walk yesterday. So you can use a noun after it without anything else. Number 2, use a gerund after the word suggest like, she suggested going out, or I suggest watching a good movie together. You see? Number 3, use that after suggest. So you can say, I suggest that you study. You should know that in spoken English, that is usually deleted. So you can say, I suggest you study, or she suggested that we go to the cinema. You can say, she suggested we go to the cinema. So here are 2 great mistakes that you shouldn't make. Number 1, never use suggest plus infinitives. Like, I suggest to go out. No, I suggest going out. And the second one, never use suggest plus an object and plus an infinitive. Like, I suggest you to watch this animation. No, I suggest you watch this cartoon or animation. You see? These are the mistakes that students make, and I'm sure you're not going to make them again because you have watched my video. Your versus your. Number 2, your versus your, is the king of common English mistakes. It's even difficult for native speakers. I mean, not difficult, it's confusing. But you should know that one of them is for ownership and one of them is for actions, for doing something. Now, you tell me, which one of these sentences is correct? You're welcome to the party or you're welcome to the party. Well, your is a possessive adjective. When you say your phone, your sister, your car, it means that special thing belongs to you. It is your car. It is your book. She is your sister, like my sister, my cell phone, my pen. So it is a possessive adjective. But the other your, which is you apostrophe R-E, is the short form of you are. Like, you are the best person I have ever met, or you are a teacher. You are a teacher or you're a teacher. You see? So here is the golden rule. The easiest way to check if you're right is to replace your or your with you are in the sentences. I mean, look at the sentence. What is your phone number? It can be what is your phone number or what is your phone number. I replace it with you are and I say what is your phone number. Well, this sounds lame and it's not understandable, so it is clear enough that it is your here without an apostrophe. So it is not the short form of you are. What is your phone number? So let's get back to the first sentence that I said. You're welcome to the party. Here is you are welcome to the party. So it is your with an apostrophe, not the possessive adjective. fewer versus less. This is a common mistake that you hear a lot, especially in supermarkets when people want to buy something like, I want to eat fewer sugar. No, it's not correct. Or there are less people here in the supermarket than yesterday. Less people. It is not correct. You know why? Because we use less with uncountable nouns and fewer with countable nouns. I mean fewer people, fewer books, fewer pens, fewer teachers, fewer apples. But we use less with uncountable nouns, the things that you cannot count, like less water, less sugar, less coffee. So, here is another golden rule. If you are confused between fewer and less, try to put a number before your noun. If it is correct, you can use fewer. I mean, there are fewer people or less people. You are thinking about it, so let's do this. 3 people. Is it correct? Yes, 1, 2, 3, 3 people. So this is correct. There are fewer people here, not less people. But let's imagine salt. I want to use less salt or fewer salt. Can I say 5 salts or 5 salt? Well, obviously this is not correct. It doesn't make any sense. So you should say less salt. Less salt, less sugar, less water, because they are uncountable nouns. How to use the word marry as a verb? Well, here is the key thing that you should always remember. Marry is followed by a direct object because it is a transitive verb most of the times. So you shouldn't say marry with someone. Here you're using a wrong preposition. Instead, you should say marry someone, like she married her childhood friend. She married her childhood friend. This is correct, not she married with her childhood friend. This is not acceptable. Or the question, will you marry me? It is fine. Will you marry me? You cannot say, will you marry with me? Also, there is another thing, to be married. When you are married, you can use a preposition. Not with again, you can use to. T-O. To be married to someone. Like, she's married to a famous actor. She is married to a famous actor. You see? Or he's married to a teacher. Again, in this situation, you cannot use with. So, you can use marry and use an object after it, like marry someone, or you can use to be married to someone. Look at Emily and Ben. Yesterday, Ben asked an important question, a sweet, life-changing question. He said, will you marry me? And what do you think Emily said? Well, she said yes. So what happened right now? I am sure that they will marry in the future. So she will or he will, they will marry in the future. And right now, Emily is married to Ben. Or we can say that in the future, she will be married to Ben. Imagine that this thing happened a year ago. So they got married last year. Yes, got married. You can use to get married. This is another form that you can use the word marry in your sentences. So we can say Emily and Ben got married last year. Now, tell me, which one of these mistakes did you used to make in the past? You're not making them anymore because you have watched my lesson. And because of that, in the question I said, what mistakes did you used to make? If you want to learn more about this sentence, this grammar, you should watch these videos that I put here. There are 2 videos here in this channel about used to. Don't forget to watch them now or after I say goodbye to you. So tell me, is there another word or grammar that always confuses you? Share them with me in the comments below. I will read every single comment and maybe your comment will be the next topic for our video. I hope this lesson was helpful and clear for you. Keep watching, keep practicing, and keep learning English more and more every day. You know that I love you all so much and I will see you in the next video. Bye!